Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about emergence of new states, how after the death of Aurangzeb, new states were created by the Subedar, Zamindar and the Jagidars who were too much powerful. And today we are going to discuss about the old Mughal provinces. From the old Mughal provinces, many states were created by the powerful governor and the noble of the court. They started creating new states among the old provinces, and in that three states were more important. They were Hyderabad, Awadh and then Bengal. At first we are going to discuss about Hyderabad. Hyderabad was created it was founded by Nizamul Mulk Asaf Jah. At first, in the beginning, the responsibility of Awadh was given to him, but later he was sent to Deccan, and there he stabilized. He founded the Hyderabad state, and he wanted to cover the eastern coastal area of the Hyderabad, but he was not successful because in that area British were powerful, and he always struggled with Maratha in western boundaries of the Hyderabad, and also he was struggling with the Telugu warriors in the east, but he was ruling very nicely, independently, according to his own rule and regulation. There was not much force on him of the Delhi, but then also he was serving under the Delhi ruler, but he was ruling independently in Hyderabad. Now we are going to discuss about Awadh. Awadh was founded by Burhan-ul-Mulk Sadat Khan in 1722. Awadh was prosperous region controlling the rich alluvial Ganga plain and main trade route between North India and Bengal. As you know, Awadh lies in northern plain area, and northern plain area is too fertile, and Awadh was also in that fertile alluvial soil land area, and the Burhan ul Mulk, he stabilized Awadh state. He was appointed as a governor of Awadh, and then he founded Awadh state out of Mughal provinces, and he removed those people who were appointed by the Delhi, those who were ruling on Delhi, he put his own people on high post in his court, in his state, who were loyal to him, and also he had taken the help of big businessmen and the merchant people who were there in Awadh for ruling, and the businessmen, traders were influencing the rule, the authority. At that time, it was first time that businessmen and trade persons were influencing the court, the rule. Now we are going to study about Bengal state. Bengal state was founded by Murshid Quli Khan. Bengal was slowly separated from the Mughal provinces as Murshid Quli Khan was the Nayab. He closed the offices related to the Delhi, and he started collecting the revenue from the Jamindars forcibly, and Jamindars were not able to pay him the revenue. Then they had taken loan from the moneylenders and also from the big traders. Those who are not able to pay the revenue, they have to leave their land, and that land was given to the big Jamindars. In this way, he was very strictly ruling in Bengal. Look about him. Bengal gradually broke away from Mughal control under the Murshid Quli Khan, who was appointed as the Nayab, deputy to the governor of the province. Murshid Quli Khan very quickly seized all the power that went with office. Like the ruler of Hyderabad and Awadh, he also commanded the revenue administration of the state. To make his state good, he was very furiously taken action with the Jamindars to collect the revenue, and he had taken the administration in his hand. Murshid Quli Khan, in an effort to reduce Mughal influence in Bengal, he transferred all Mughal Jagidars to Odisha and ordered a major reassessment of the revenue of Bengal. In this way, he was started ruling according to his own idea.